Welcome student. In last class we discussed some groups or functional groups are orthopara-directing and some groups are meta-directing. Okay. Uh, I try to try to explain this concept. Now we will try to understand why these some group are orthopara-directing and why some group are meta-directing. See, that is called ortho para directing influence of OH group, OH, amino, etc. OH group and NH2 group or alkyl group or any group, this group are orthopara directing group. Why this group are orthopara directing group? Means if this type of groups present on the benzene ring, any for example, if this amino group, for example NH2 group is present on the benzene ring, and if we carry out this aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, for in general, where E plus is the electrophile, and this E plus is electrophile will going to replacing hydrogen atom from this monosubstituted benzene. Its name is aniline. Aniline is a benzene derivative in which NH2 group is present. Okay, now if we try to perform this reaction, then this incoming electrophile will going to replace hydrogen atom from only ortho and para position. Either it will attach, it will form mixture of product, ortho product and para product, not meta. This E plus never going to attach at meta position. Only this E plus going to replace hydrogen atom from ortho position and para position, and not from meta position, because this NH2 group is ortho-para directing group. This is called ortho-para directing influence of NH2 group. Okay. Similarly, if this OH group is there, then similar product obtained. Then incoming electrophile will going to attach at ortho and para position. Any ortho-para directing group is there, then this type of product obtained. Okay. This is called ortho-para directing influence. Okay. So why NH2 group show ortho-para directing influence? I will explain in electronic concept. See what happened. For example, take aniline. First example, aniline. In aniline, NH2 group is directly attached to benzene ring, and we know this amino group is electron releasing group. It is electron rich group and electron releasing. Electron releasing group means what? This group release their electron to remaining part of the molecule. Now in aniline, what happened? This nitrogen atom having one lone pair of electron, and that lone pair of electron it will donate toward the ring, and like this. Okay, and then this lone pair of electron get delocalized over the whole molecule and give various canonical structure. You will get this type of, that is called resonance. This is resonating structure. You will get this, and then delocalization take place over the whole molecule. You will get one more structure now, like this. Again here now. Okay, and one more structure, then I will come back to the original position. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in this structure you will find, in this molecule you will find amino group is electron releasing group, therefore it has tendency to release their electron. So During reaction, this amino group will release their electron toward the ring. It will send their lone pair of electron toward the ring, benzene ring, and then after these electron get involved in resonance and to give various structures. Okay, so this amino aniline having this type of various structures. Okay, and you will find by sending the electron by amino group, this electron is residing or uh, what residing on ortho position, para position, and again one more ortho position. Okay, just whatever electron released by amino group, that electron get reside over ortho position and para position only, and not on meta position. And so due to this resonance you will find negative charge of negative charge or electron density means negative charge only increased at ortho and para position, only at ortho and para position, and not on meta position. See, in all the structure negative charge present only on ortho or para position and not anywhere on meta position. Okay, so therefore what happened during due to this, only ortho and para position are more electron rich than meta position. So therefore during reaction, this incoming electrophile which is positively charged, this incoming electrophile will which is having positive charge will attack at which position? Normally positive attack at negative position, negative attack at positive position. Therefore this incoming electrophile which is electron deficient or positively charged species, definitely it will attack at ortho and para position and not on meta position. Therefore due to this resonance, actually this is resonance, so due to this resonance this group make, what is the another way to explain this group make ortho and para position more electron rich than meta position. Therefore incoming electrophile will attack at ortho and para position and not on meta position. That's why these group are called ortho para directing group. This group, if the such group present on the benzene ring or aromatic ring, then that group will direct next incoming electrophile to attach at ortho and para position and not on meta. Similarly, if OH group, suppose OH group present, benzene ring having OH group, then see what happen. Same structure obtained here also. We know this OH group is electron rich, release their electron and you will get similar structure, and in all this structure only ortho and para position gain negative charge and not meta position. Meta position remain as it is. Okay, like this. These are the resonating structure, different resonating structure obtained, and all these resonating structure negative charge is only present on ortho and para position and not on meta position. So OH group is also ortho para directing group. OH group is also ortho para directing group. Okay, so OH group make ortho and para position more electron rich, negatively charged. Therefore incoming electrophile, if you perform the reaction of benzene phenol with another electrophile, then that electrophile will attach at ortho and para position only, not on meta position. That's why OH group is ortho para directing group. Okay, so this is the reason why ortho para directing group produce ortho as well as para disubstituted product. Okay, so NH2 group, ortho para directing group, OH group, ortho para directing group, alkyl group, ortho para directing group, alkoxy group, alkoxy is also ortho para directing, and many more groups showing this type of properties. Okay, now meta directing influence. Meta, some group are meta directing. Meta directing influence of nitro group. For example, nitro is meta directing group. I will try to explain why nitro is meta directing. See, for example, what is the meaning of meta directing group? Suppose nitrobenzene, if we perform acylation, for example alkylation, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, okay, we know it will give product. This alkyl group get attached to one of the position, but in case of nitrobenzene, nitro group is meta directing, means this actually this RH and anhydrous AlCl3, as we know, going to produce R plus electrophile, and then this electrophile will going to attach at benzene ring, but which position it will going to attach, it will depend upon the nitro group. Nitro group is meta directing, so definitely this R plus will going to attach at meta position, and you will get product M here, M alkyl nitrobenzene product obtained. Why this R going to attach at meta position, not at ortho and not at para position? Why? This is explained on the basis of resonance again. Same. Why? Nitro group is meta directing, therefore incoming electrophile R plus will going to attach at meta position. Why? The reason, the answer for this question is in resonance. See what happened. We know nitro group, and the structure of nitro group is like this. Okay, this is positive. This is actual structure of nitro group. In nitro group NO2 actually N attached to one of the oxygen by double bond and another oxygen by single bond. Therefore, this nitrogen is negatively charged and nitrogen positively charged. So this is bipolar group, two pole having, nitrogen contain positive charge and one of the oxygen is contain negative charge. Okay, now nitrogen is positively charged, therefore it has tendency to withdraw the electron density from benzene ring. Okay, because positive nitrogen is electron deficient, it will withdraw the electron density from benzene ring. And then what? Therefore, after removing electron density and like this, here positive like this, you will get this type of resonating structure, and then resonance will occur and you will get different structure. This positive charge get delocalized over the whole molecule like this. Okay, and many more structure obtained. Now see, due to this nitro group, which is electron withdrawing group, nitro group is electron withdrawing group because nitrogen having positive charge, therefore it will withdraw the electron density from the rest of the benzene ring. That's why it is electron withdrawing group. Withdraw electron density and make benzene ring electron deficient. One of the position get positive charge and this positive charge is in conjugation with double bond. Therefore, reshuffling take place, resonance occur, and you will get different structure. Now see, due to this nitro group, only two ortho position and one para position gain positive charge. Positive charge residing over ortho and para position only, means ortho and para position become electron deficient, partially positive charge develop or electron deficient. Now therefore, during reaction, electrophile, which is E plus, will going to attach at which position? Can E plus attach at ortho position, para position, or this ortho position? No, because this position due to resonance having positive charge and E is already having positive charge, positive repulsion. So E plus never attack at ortho and para position. That's why. But meta position are comparatively less positive. Comparatively less positive means electron rich as compared to ortho and para position. Therefore, this E plus or electrophile will going to attach at meta position and never at ortho and para position due to this electronic reason. Okay, so Why nitro group is meta directing? Because nitro group is electron withdrawing group. Withdraw the electron density from ortho and para position and make this position more electron deficient or positive, partially positive. Therefore, next incoming electrophile E plus will never attach at ortho and para position because positive repulsion. Okay, so this is the reason why some group are ortho meta directing and some group are ortho para directing. Okay, we can explain this concept by taking another example, another function group, aldehyde, ketone, acid. Okay, same reason. Okay, so this is the reason some group are meta directing and some group are ortho para directing. So student, go through this video and try to understand the concept, and if you have any problem regarding this ortho para directing group, this is somewhat difficult to understand, but try to understand, and if you have any problem then contact me. I will try to explain this concept again. Thank you very much.